Got some eggs, bread, and cottage cheese. You can probably already guess what I'm gonna make, so. So bread goes in the toaster, if it'll even go down. I think it's too fat. There we go, good enough. The current state of the eggs, as you can tell, it is stuck to the pan. What I wanted to avoid. Top it off with a little bit of the everything but the bagel seasoning. And that's breakfast. Some bread and eggs and cottage cheese. I don't know if you wanted to watch me eat, but I guess I'll show you a bite or two. Going in with the eggs and cottage cheese first. And I'll usually just scoop each bite on top of the bread and then eat like that. Add the cottage cheese is so good because it makes your eggs so cheesy, and who doesn't love cheesy eggs? Like so. So good. I've been letting this mango sit out for a while because I want to make sure it's ripe enough. And apparently it's mango season, and these Kensington mangoes are really sweet. So let's try it. Look at that. Ooh. You want to make sure you're getting all the meat off of the skin, because we don't waste here. It's lunchtime. I have some leftover ground beef, an onion, some potatoes, and cheese. So I'm gonna try to make some sort of a burger bowl with these ingredients. Oh yeah, I also have some lettuce here. I'm not gonna show you the cutting process because that's just gonna take too long, so we're gonna skip ahead. I've cut up the potatoes and I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna put it through the microwave for like 5 minutes so it's soft. But usually, if I had the motivation, I'd put it, I'd boil it. And then the beef is going in. Looks pretty good. I also added some cheese to the mix because what's a burger bowl without cheese? I have a bunch of lettuce here that I'm going to cut up and add to the bowl so there's more volume. Do you hear this sizzling? Wait, let's see. Oh my god. I think this needs some sauce. I don't really have like Big Mac sauce, but I do have some ketchup and mayo. So this is what we'll use for the sauce instead. Oh, let's do a little bit of that, and then a little bit of this. This is what it's looking like. Ooh, that actually looks so bomb. Big bite. Let's get a big bite. Also, I don't know if you're on this side of TikTok, but everybody's been talking about this and like drinking it with their coffee. I haven't even tried the original coconut water of the Coca Bella one, but I'm going straight into the deep end and trying the chocolate flavored one. I don't know how much I'm supposed to pour, but I'm gonna keep it going. In goes the ice. I'm either gonna love it or hate it, I already know. It's not that bad, but I think I need to try the coconut water on its own first. It's not bad.